Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be washing some of my fidgets because some of them really need them. And also like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below if the comments are on, or comment down below on my recent video if I should do an updated fidget collection video. So yeah. Okay, so here are my bins of fidgets and we're going to be washing. So this drawer is full of poppets and dimples and stuff like that. This drawer is full of hockey traps, tangles, squishies, dimples, popsies, monkey noodles, and all that. I still need that. And this drawer is full of squishies, monkey noodles, J&A balls. So today we're going to be washing my poppets. So I haven't done them, which I think this one's my newest poppet. Okay, so I'm going to be washing this one because it's a little dirty. And then I'm going to be washing this dinosaur poppet. Other ones, this mini heart puppet, this dimple, I'm washing that. I'm gonna also wash this and this car puppet and this hexagon puppet. So that is all that I'm going to be washing. So I got all these to wash, and yeah, so let's go wash them. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the thing and put in some water. It's going out. I'm just going to put some packaging. Comment down below what you think what video I should make next. Send some video ideas. Okay, and I want to go get some soap. So here's the view. Sorry that the music stopped. It wouldn't let me put any more music to it. So sorry about the scrubbing noises, and I hope you enjoy. So there's one done. I'm sure that's sitting there. And I'll wash it down. So there's two. I'm not sure you're gonna do this. Even though I don't use one soap. around to this one. Okay. Now I'll get this one and push the back of the box. Okay, so I'm gonna go get a towel and let this sit in here. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna start draining them. And I'm gonna rinse them off with cold water this time. And now I'm just gonna rinse them off. This one's the flimsy one. Right there. Two going right here. Three going down there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here's all. And now I'm just gonna try them. They feel so clean. So I'm just gonna start squishing them. And I'm gonna carry them to my room. And then on my bed, I'm just gonna let them come out, and all of them are dry. So, bye guys, and thanks for watching my video. Bye. Like and subscribe. Peace out.